Storm Team 29 forecast.
Tracking a little rain and snow this morning. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. NBC 29's live Doppler radar picture is showing a band of some sprinkles, light rain showers, even a few wet snowflakes trying to mix on in as it moves across the Route 29 corridor. Charlottesville I-64 approaching the Route 15 corridor more towards Fluvanna and Louisa counties and also north into Orange County. However, some of this isn't quite reaching the ground. The atmosphere is very dry at the ground level. Here's what it looks like on radar. Now let's switch over to the live weather camera from downtown Charlottesville. We can actually see some of that precipitation trying to fall from the clouds. You can see that as we look off towards the east, towards the Rivanna River. You can see a little bit of that wisps coming down from the clouds. This is the precipitation. Some rain, some snowflakes trying to mix down to the surface, but the atmosphere is very dry, and we call this virga. Sometimes it's precipitation on the radar not quite reaching the ground because of that dry atmosphere. But there is a sign that we could see some precipitation reach the surface today in the form of some raindrops, sleet pellets, maybe even some small hail because it's so cold up in the clouds. In that first forecast for your Saturday, chilly temperatures in the 30s and 40s this morning. We will struggle to reach the low 50s with a gusty northwest wind and a blend of clouds and sun with a widely scattered shower chance. Right now across the rest of the area in the 30s, Harrisonburg, Stanton, Waynesboro, 38 Louisa, 40 currently in Orange. NBC 29's live Doppler radar picture shows that band of some snow flurries over the high country of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Off to the west, we're watching snow showers and snow squalls, even some thunder snow, thunder and lightning with these snow squalls over portions of West Virginia and the Middle Ohio Valley. It's all part of that cold northwest wind right out of Canada. So the refrigerator door is wide open, and so expect below average temperatures until later on next week. Snowfall accumulations, nothing here at home, but over the Allegheny front into West Virginia, Snowshoe, Canaan Valley will pick up a few inches of wet snow accumulation. Here at home, Futurecast shows a spotty shower chance at midday, clouds and sun, northwest winds. Tonight, clearing on out with still blustery breezes and lows near or below freezing. Sunday's forecast, a more sunshine and still blustery, but no precipitation. Expect a dry weather pattern at least to start next week. Our next best chance of rain is Thursday, and that could also pose a thunderstorm chance. Rainfall wise going into next week, a ½ inch to an inch of rain is projected in that Thursday to Thursday night time frame. But we'll have to watch for some possible storminess on Thursday as well. Below average temperatures until Wednesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, highs 60s and low 70s. In your Storm Team 29 report today, sun to clouds, highs in the 40s to low 50s from Orange, Charlottesville, and the 40s for the Valley. For tonight, lows in the 20s in Harrisonburg, Stanton and Waynesboro, near or just below freezing from Palmyra, Livingston, and Culpeper and Madison. Here's your forecast on Sunday, mostly sunny and blustery. Look at these winds. Northwest winds up to 30 miles per hour, making it feel colder than the 40s I posed for daytime highs. 7-day forecast, some frosty overnights and dawns on Monday, Tuesday. Lows in the 20s, highs in the 40s and 50s, followed by that warm up on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Showers, downpours, and thunderstorms are likely on Thursday, with a warm up into the lower 70s. And hey, I did a little school talk, a little weather lesson to the 5th grade at Moss Knuckles Elementary School in Louisa County. We talked about cloud types, what kind of precipitation they bring us, the winds and the weather instruments we use, Doppler radar, satellite, and weather models. So keep up the great work over at Moss Knuckles Elementary School, home of the Foxes.
Go Foxes! That's awesome. That is so great. I know. I will say I covered a lot of school stories, and I love going in, and especially with my camera. Kids go immediately to the camera and go, "What is this?"
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in a pre-K class recently, and they just love it so much.
And when we get school visits in here, they always go for the green screen.
Go for the green. Yeah, you have the cooler aspect of the job, I guess.
But keep up the great work over there.
Absolutely. Well, here's the story of a pretty cool student too. A blind 11